So as I getting older, I crave more and more the food I used to eat when I was growing up in Korea. So one of the dish my mom used to make was eggplant with the shishido peppers. It was one of my favorite. She used to make it very often. So when she cooked rice, at the end of the cooking rice, and she would add eggplant, cut it eggplant in 3 or 4 inches long, and then the whole shishido peppers on top of the rice, and then she cooked 5 or 6 minutes longer, and then she take them out and shred it by hand, and she added soy sauce, sesame oil, sesame seed, and green peppers, and all the other stuff, and it was really, really, really good. So this is not the first time I'm making today. I used to make very often as I can. I usually eat with the rice, then mixed with the rice, and added some gochujang, and it's just delicious. Let's get cooking. Shishido peppers. Okay, let's taste it. Okay. There's no corn syrup in here, so the reason I buy this. And it tastes really good too. Mix it. I think we should add some kimchi. I'm so happy now. So it looks like this. Oops. I know it tastes like I made it so many times. It's really good. This shishido pepper is not spicy. It's quite sweet. can eat this on my